How to buy on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can buy on Mercari. So kindly watch this video till the end. The first step is for you to log in into your Mercari account, just like I've done here. And then once you're on this account, you can see the Mercari logo by the top left corner. You can see search for anything. You can see by the right side some icons as well. So scroll down, all right, until you can see the item that you'd like to buy. So for me, I'd like to buy a pair of shoes and I'm just going to click on it. So by clicking on it, you'll be taken to the page where you'll see details about the products, different colors that are available, the kind of shoes there are. So if it has not been displayed, go back and click on it again. So now it has been displayed. So now you can filter this pair of shoes by moving to the left side of the screen. You can filter it based on sale, based on the ones that has been sold, based on the origin, all right, based on the fashion. You can filter it this way to get the exact one that you want. So for me, I'm going to select this particular size, and then by selecting a size, you'll see that the page would load, and shoes for those size would be the one to be displayed, or wears for those size would be the one to be displayed. Since I selected wears, so select the one that you'd like to buy, and after selecting it, you'll be taken to the product detail page. So once you're on the detail page, you can see the men fashion dress that I selected, and then by the right side you see details about the page. So you can decide to add to cart, you can decide to make an offer, or you can decide to buy now. You can decide to buy now, you'll be taken to another page, or you can decide to proceed to your PayPal checkout. That is if PayPal is your means of making payments on Mercari. So by clicking on buy now, you'll be taken to another page where you have to input your billing info, if your billing information, your billing address, your card number, your whatever. And if you have a promo code as well, on that same page, you'll see there, enter it in, and then you'll be able to buy this item. As simple as that. So this is how you can buy an item on Mercari. So go ahead and try this out, okay? Thank you for watching and have a good day.